Little rain ain't gonna stop us here at TMG Pits, guys. We got my man Mickey's slick Copperhead 52 trailer rolling out of the shop. This thing's slick, as Paul Shirley would say. Really nice setup here. Mickey, you've been great to work with. We appreciate you, my man. Let's check out a setup here. Like I mentioned, single axle trailer, guys. We build all of our trailers in-house. We're a licensed trailer manufacturer. Sandblasted, powder coated finish on this rig. We got a lot of different colors. Holds up great, looks slick, gets in all the little nooks and crannies. Single 6,000 pound brake axle on this unit, all LED lighting. And of course, we designed the trailer around the setup so everything fits perfectly, flows well. That's what we do, guys. So let's check it out. Storage up front with the propane tank. Right on the driver's side here, we got our double burner setup with the folding griddle top. So this folds up, sets your potter pan up here, two burners, two 10-inch propane burners, individually regulated. Fold this back down, latch it, boom, you're ready to rock and roll. Up next for the smoker of this rig, we've got our Copperhead 52 reverse flow. Bottom and top sliding trays. Our reverse flow plates are removable so you can clean up the bottom of your smoker. 1-inch ball valve grease drain on this. We got the fire poker inside as well. Stainless steel shelf up here. We did upgrade them, some slick race line wheels and tires on this rig. On the hot box, this is our 30-inch hot box. Hey, y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space, guys. That's just because we love America. That's all there is to it. This hot box runs independent from the smoke chamber. You can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. Very versatile. On the firebox, he did upgrade to our insulated firebox. Still got your fire magnet cradle in there. Holds heat great, cooks like a dream, guys. On the back here, we've got one of our folding prep tables. This one's got cutting board material in it. Folds up, get to all your wood storage cooler underneath. Up next here, we've got our 48-inch Santa Maria grill. Raise and lower that cooking grate with ease. We got double doors here to tend your fire. We finished them off with a matching spare tire up front, guys. Hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.